Hello students. So let's have again more sums on indices. So again I am here with some more problems. So my next problem is find the value of it is 2 raised to 2, that whole raised to it is how much it is 3. We have to find out the value of 2 raised to 2, that whole raised to what it is 3. Means what does it mean? 2 raised to 2 we have to multiply how many times? 3 times in the calculator. So how to multiply? So here we have to find out the value of 2 raised to it is 2, that whole raised to how much it is 3. So how to multiply? So here which rule we can apply? Here I can apply here third rule, right? What is my third rule? If it is a raised to n, that whole raised to what it is n. If it is a raised to n, that whole raised to n, the same can be expressed as it is a raised to. If it is a raised to n, that whole raised to n, at that time we have to multiply the index. Means m into n. So it comes to this m n. M into n is how much it is? M n. Means what? We have to multiply the index. So this is the same situation or not? So it is 2 raised to 2, that whole raised to 3. Means this 2 raised to 2 we have to multiply 3 times. So how to multiply? It is 2 raised to 2 raised to these two index we have to multiply. So 2 3s are how much? It is 6. Yeah. So 2 we have to multiply how many times? 6 times in the calculator. So 2 if you multiply 6 times in the calculator, the answer will come how much? It is 64. Means if you multiply 2 raised to 2 3 times, the answer comes to how much? It is 64, like this. Clear? Or my next sum is find the value of it is 125, right? 125 raised to is how much? 1/3. Find the value of 125 raised to what it is? 1/3. So how to multiply? 125 you have to multiply 1/3 times. 125 raised to is 1/3. Now if you go to multiply 125 1/3 times, we cannot simplify here. Can we simplify? We cannot simplify, because 125 you know how to multiply 1/3 times in the calculator. 5 raised to 2 means we know 5 we can multiply very easily 2 times in the calculator. 5 raised to 3 means 5 we have to multiply 3 times in the calculator, we can multiply. But the problem comes when it comes in fraction, how to multiply 1/3 times in the calculator. So it becomes very difficult. At that time the indices plays a very important role. So here directly if you go to simplify, it is not possible. So always remember, wherever simplification is not possible, at that time see the given value. The given value is how much here? 125. Can we express this given value in another form? Right? What you have to check, or what you have to see, that the given value can be expressed in another form. 125 we should try to write in another form. So how to write? So 125, right? 125 means what? 125 I can write it is 5's cube, right? Means 5 if you multiply 3 times, we get how much? It is 125. So wherever simplification is not possible, so you should try to split the value. Splitting the value is nothing but writing the same value or expressing the same value in another form. Means if you simplify this, we have to get the same value. Means in place of 125 I can write 5 raised to 3 or not. So 5 raised to 3 means what? It is 5 into 5 into it is 5. Means 5 we have to multiply 3 times to itself. So 5 to 5 25, 20 into 5 is how much? The result comes to is how much? 125, right? Means in place of 125 I can write 5 raised to 3. So this is called as what? Splitting the value, right? So wherever simplification is not possible, so you must be able to split the value correctly. So here in place of 125 I can write how much it is 5's cube, right? 5's cube is nothing but what? It is 125, means it is correct. So this is raised to what? It is 1/3. Clear? So it is 5 raised to 3, we have to multiply 1/3 times, means again we have arrived at the third rule. What is my third rule here? If it is a raised to m, that whole raised to it is n. So at that time we have to multiply the index. So same is situation here also. Alright, 5 raised to 3 is multiplied by 1/3. With these two index we have to multiply. Means it is 5 raised to 3 into 1 upon 3. So 3 into 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is how much? Means here only you can simplify this. These three get cancelled. So these three get cancelled. Remains what? It is 1. Means 5 raised to 1 is how much? It is 5. Clear? Means 125, if you multiply 1/3 times, the answer comes to how much? It is 5. Clear? Or suppose the next sum is find the value of it is 16 raised to what? It is minus 0.5. What you have to find? You have to find out the value of this 16 raised to it is minus 0.5. Means 16 we have to multiply minus 0.5 times, right? So in the calculator we can multiply 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. But question is how to multiply 0.5 times, and that too minus. So is it possible in the calculator? It is not possible in the calculator. So at that time we take the help of what it is? Indices. So how to multiply this? How to simplify this with the help of indices? So again, if you go to multiply 16 0.5 times, we cannot multiply in the calculator, right? But here, now if you go to simplify directly, direct simplification is not possible. It is it is 16 we have to multiply minus 0.5 times, right? So here direct simplification is not possible. So when simplification is not possible, at that time what you have to check? Can we express the given value in another form? So if we can express the given value in another form, so first rewrite that value. That is what is called splitting the value, writing the same value in another form. So 16 we can express very easily in another form, right? So 16 means what it is? 4 square or not? 4 square. 4 square is how much? 16 or not? So 4 if you multiply 2 times we get 16, means whatever we have written 4 raised to 2, right? That is correct, right? So 16 means what it is? 4 raised to 2. That whole raised to it is what? It is minus 0.5. So again we are at the same situation. Third rule, if it is a raised to m, that whole raised to n. So at that time you have to multiply the index. So multiply here. So it is 4 raised to 2 into minus 0.2. So 2 into minus 0.2, you will get what? It is minus 1. 2 into 0.5 is how much? 1. So that is what? It remains minus 1. So again we have arrived. Now here my index is negative here, right? Now again question is how to multiply 4 minus 1 times, right? Can you multiply 4 minus 1 times? It is not possible. So I gave you the 7th rule, right? Any value, right? If the index is negative, to convert that negative into positive, you have to write in its reciprocal form. The 7th rule was, if it is a raised to minus m, the same can be expressed as it is 1 divided by a raised to is plus m. Means to convert this negative index into positive, what we do? We write in reciprocal form. How to write in reciprocal form? Always 1 we have to divide by the given value. 1 divided by given value, so a raised to minus m is written as a raised to plus m. This is how we have to convert negative index into positive, right? So here I can easily convert this negative index into positive. So to convert you have to apply this rule. So you have to write this in reciprocal form, and to write this value in reciprocal form, always 1 we have to divide by the given value. So the given value is 4 raised to minus 1. So it is written as what? It is 4 raised to plus 1. Means 4 we have to multiply. Now we can multiply very easily 4 one time. But 4 how to multiply minus 1 time is very difficult, right? So it is 4 raised to 1 divided by 4 raised to 1. So 4 raised to 1 is how much? It is 4 only. So it is 1 divided by what it is? 4. Like this. Understood? So like this, wherever those rules are applicable, so there you have to apply. Clear? Or I have the next problem. Find the value of it is 81 raised to it is minus 1/4, right? 81 raised to minus 1/4. Now how to multiply 81 minus 1/4 time in the calculator? Is it possible? It is not possible. So how to multiply? So it is 81 raised to it is minus 1/4. Now again same here, directly we cannot solve here, right? So check, can we express this value in another form? So 81 we can rewrite, we again express in another form. So 81 is nothing but what it is, 3 raised to 4. 3 if you multiply 4 times, 3 if you multiply 4 times, we get how much? It is 81. 81 means what? It is 9 into 9. 9 into 9, 81. Or 9 also we can split into what? 3 into 3. So 3 into 3. So 3 if you multiply 4 times, we get how much? It is 81. So 3 raised to 4 means what? It is 81. That 4 raised to what? It is minus 1/4. Right? Again, we have arrived at the same situation as what? A raised to n, that whole raised to n. At that time we have to multiply the index. So here again we have to multiply the index. So it is 3 raised to 4 into minus 1/4. It comes to minus 4/4. Or so minus 4 divided by 4 is minus 1. Or this 4 get cancelled. So remains what? It is minus 1. 3 raised to minus 1. So again here my index is negative, and to convert this negative index into positive, what you have to do? You have to write in its reciprocal form. And to write in its reciprocal form, what we do? 1 we divide by the given value. The given value is 3 raised to minus 1 is written as 3 raised to 1. Or if you multiply this, so it comes to this 1 divided by 3 raised to 1 is how much? It is 3. So the answer comes to how much? It is 3. Clear? So I hope it is clear to you all. So by practice it comes. So you have to practice a lot. Clear? So I hope you have understood these sums. So in the next video, I'll come with the new problems on what it is indices. Thank you.